Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and in today's video, we're talking about Uber's new decision to launch upfront payments for drivers. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna get right into it. Before I want to thank our sponsor, Solo, which is the business app for gig workers. They have a guaranteed pay feature, which basically makes sure that when you go out and work like this, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., you're gonna make $37 in that hour. They have some really awesome features. And when you sign up, you can sign up for the free version if you like. They're gonna send you 15 bucks just for signing up and linking your gig account, and take home $5,000 more a year for the average app-based worker. Link below for Solo. Use our link to get that 15 bucks, and let's get started. Uber starts showing more US drivers how much they will earn on potential trips. The company will roll out upfront fares to most of the US over the coming months. Uber has launched a couple of features designed to improve the experience and increase transparency for drivers. A few months ago, the ride-hailing giant started piloting a feature called upfront fares in a handful of cities. Now it's expanding its availability and rolling it out to most of the US over the coming months. When they get access to the features, drivers will see how much they'll earn and where they're going for a trip on the request screen before they accept the booking. According to the help page explaining how upfront fares work, Uber calculates the amount it shows using several factors, including base fares, estimated trip length and duration, pickup distance, and surge pricing. Uber will also show drivers across streets closest to the pickup and drop-off points to help them make a decision. So now you're gonna know whether or not you want to accept the ride, or go ahead and just click deny. I ain't going that way. So pretty awesome. Let me know your thoughts. And again, sign up for Solo with the link down below to get 15 bucks just for signing up. 14-day risk-free, or you can just sign up for the completely free version. They also have mileage tracking. Federal tax projections are going to tell you how much you might owe in taxes. Daily guaranteed pay, which is free until the end of the month, which is really cool. So check it out, link below. Otherwise, oh yeah, and we are even on the Solo website, which is pretty cool. We're right here, and you got the Rideshare Guy, obviously some other cool guys, Gig Nation. So anyways, check out our link for Solo, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.